Alright, next up is a game called Sound Effects. So, in Sound Effects, Franz and Zach are going to be making sounds. Matt and I will be making as much action and activity as possible for them to make sounds over. But all I need from the middle here is a location. Alright, Disney World. Orlando. Well, we'll do World. Alright, Disney World. 3, 2, 1.
Bob?
Sorry, turn your Walkman off.
Oh, sorry. I mean, I want to thank you for taking me here, but it's like I'm going to be 16 soon.
That's all stupid.
Yeah. My goodness.
A bird just hit the temple!
Oh my goodness. I just thought...
Son, are you hungry?
Oh. You definitely heard that. Yeah, I'm really going to have to eat.
The park closes in 45 minutes. How we get out of here, please?
It's like my stomach's some kind of portal to the intercom system.
Alright,
Wait, if I feed it, it'll get stronger. Let me grab this falafel.
Delicious.
try to drink some water. Damn it, exploded! I have a second one though.
Just toss it right here.
Extra fizzy.